Hello, friends and students. So, welcome once again in a new project, DIY Smart Home Security System with Raspberry Pi Pico W. This project we are doing in MicroPython. So, just we'll we'll go to the slide and we'll see what is there. So, first of all, we will just discuss about the working principle. So here we are using a motion detector, okay? But instead of motion detector, what I have used is IR sensor that we will see. I will just tell you when we go to the lab, we will start our project or we will see the project. So motion sensor is there. Sensor detects movement, trigger alarm, system is armed. Then alarm activated the buzzer or LED is there. In my case, I've used both the LEDs instead of buzzer because sound you will not be able to hear it sometimes. So at both the places I have used LED instead of that. Then you have second point is door control. That is, I have used 3 relays. So suppose intruder comes into the home, and so what if that information comes to the owner, like somebody has entered or some unwanted person has come or theft is going on. So what we can do, I'm just put a locking system on the 3 doors. It can be back door, some kitchen door, garage door, or something like that. So we can control the 3 relays. So on the place of a relay, what did I do? I have used a light. So of course you can use a relay. When since the LEDs are controlled, the relay can also be controlled with the same. Then you have a web dashboard allows remote locking and unlocking, and we can lock also and we can unlock also. That also we are going to see through it. Okay. Third point is there is a web dashboard, right? In there you have a arm and disarm. That is lock and unlock, right? Arming and disarming is nothing but locking and unlocking with a button, right? Okay. You can control with the dashboard also. And you can know the real status, that is whether it is arm or disarm, and the alarm status also. The fourth point is there is one more switch, that is a physical switch. So which will you can control for arm and disarm, that is for locking and unlocking manually. Okay. So in this place, what I did is I was having a touch sensor with me. It works like a switch only. So I've used a touch sensor in that. Okay. So these are the setup. Okay. Components required, as you can see on the screen, component connections and requirement. I will just tell you very simple connections. Okay. Raspberry Pi Pico W main controller is there. Okay. On the right hand side, you can see the board. And then you have IR proximity sensor, which is connected to GPIO 16, pin number 16. Buzzer LED to pin number 17. Red LED, that is alarm LED, we call it as it is connected to 18. And the place of 3 relay module door, that is any sort of door, garage door, front door, back door, you can say any of the door. So the 19, 20, and 21 are used for that. Okay. So please remember, I have used LED in the place of a relay. So relay you can see on the corner side, and you can bottom corner you can see this is my relay, but I have used a LED in here. Okay. So push button for arming and disarming, it is connected to pin number 22. So I said that I have used a touch display for that, touch screen display. Okay. Right. So these are the simple life practicals we will see in our lab now. So I will just tell you about the project, and before going to detail about the project, I will just show you what are the parts like, the list of components or be aware. So first, this is Pico W board. This one, the whole thing, this board is Pico W board. All right, I have used one switch also for power on off. Since I'm giving supply from the batteries, these are the 2 batteries, rechargeable batteries. From here, I have given supply to 7805, that is a 5-volt regulator. So from 5-volt regulator output, I have given it to the pin number 2. This is the V in, that is P in pin is there. That is not 2, it is 39. Okay, pin number 39. It is a 40 pin IC. So 39 number is this thing. 38 is a ground. And rest of the other things, what we are seeing it here, these are the different pins which are going. I will explain you now. Okay. So instead of a simple switch like this, right? So I have used a switch like this, that is a touch switch. I have used, instead of PIR sensor, I have used an IR sensor, and I have used three LEDs. This three, one, two, and three LEDs are for locking the door. The door locks. It represents the door locks. Okay, so three doors are there, suppose, and these things, one is for buzzer. These two yellow lights over here, that is yellow LEDs. One is for buzzer and one is for it will be telling you if the intruder is there inside. Okay, so this sensor, that is IR sensor, will be there in the door where you can suspect of this thing. Okay, the whole thing, how does it work? I will just switch it on. Okay, so please remember, since you have a MicroPython code, so I have put a code in this, that is main.py. Main.py. If you put it as a main.py, then I need not connect it to the system. Directly I can give it through the power supply. So what I will do is I will just switch on the switch. Okay. So now it is on. Okay. So I will just show you, suppose this some intruder is coming from the door and he comes inside. So he crosses this. You can see now, you can see here the two LEDs, that is buzzer indication and other LED has come up. Okay. At the same time, you will come to know about the things, that is somebody has come and automatically these three doors can be locked. How it will be locked? It will be locked with the help of a dashboard. Okay. So I will just show you about I will tell you about the dashboard. One second, please. So this is the dashboard. Okay. So I will just show you how the dashboard is work. So this three switches are there on the bottom side. You can see three switches are there on the bottom side. So I can one by one, I can lock the door. I will just try to show it to you. Suppose I'm using this switch. Now you can see a red light has come. Okay. I will go back again. I will lock the another door, right? And I will go back again and I will lock the third door. Right. So you can see all the three LEDs have come. All the three LEDs have come. That means the doors are locked. Okay. Right. So likewise, it will also tell you disarm and arm the system. That means you can disarm it also. Suppose you are there in the home now and you don't require those things, then you can disarm it also. So I will just switch it off the light again. Okay. So likewise, all indication with this thing, it will be there. So what are the pins like? I will just explain you with the codes. So I just gave you a little idea. So power supply, regulator 5 volt. That's it. This switch, I didn't tell you about the switch. So suppose this switch is for reset purpose. Like if you want the alarm is coming continuously, so you just put a finger on this and it will get a reset again. Okay. So this is for reset purpose. Okay. Intruder comes, the alarm is completely continuously going on. So what I can do is I can reset with this switch. So instead of this switch, that is, we call it as a manual switch, I am using this. Please remember, I can use buzzer also. This is the buzzer, what I'm holding it. Instead of this LED, I can use buzzer, but since the sound will not be there, like it will not be recorded, so I have used a LED for that purpose. Okay, you can see here the LED, both the LEDs, instead of the buzzer, the LEDs are coming. Okay, so this is the simple project, but with MicroPython. Okay, very cheap, very simple project. I will share the details with you. All the codes and all, everything will be shared. So I hope you will like it and you will try to do it. That is the idea. Learning is important. Trying is important. As you can see now, we are into the code parts. On the corner, you can see the light display. That is our project display. So what I'm trying to do now is, as I'm try to connect it through our computer. Now we have connected. All right. So first of all, I just say stop here and automatically it will come. Since we have discussed in other projects also, that is how you will select the board and all. So you have to go to option and you have to select from the interpreter the board as well as the port. And since we have already selected that is Pico and port number is 38, it is already there. If that comes, then only this thing will come. Please remember that. So this is the code. How the code works on, I will just tell you. So there are these are the libraries in the beginning. That is network socket time and JSON libraries also there. So machine input pin timer and a time library is also there. The configuration is JSON and I have given SSID and password. Alarm duration, that is how long the alarm should be there. Debounce time should be 500. What are the door names I can provide? That is front, back, and garage. As you can see, I have already shown you. This is the 1, 2, 3. The three relays will be there. So green, blue, and red I have connected here. So this imagine that these are the three doors. All right. So these are the three doors. And I have also given, you can see here, hardware pins. It has been given. IR sensors, pin number 16 I have connected. So this is the corner one. This one is pin number 16. This corner is pin number 16. Next is 17. That is a buzzer pin. Then alarm LED is pin number 18. Okay, the third one is pin number 18, which is going to this, which I have sent. That is, it is LED only. I have put it as a LED only. Then you have a doors. That is three LEDs. 1, 2, 3. This three LEDs are for the door, and a button. That is button is nothing but this button I'm talking about. This button. Okay, this is a button I have done, and you can connect this button also. So that button is connected to pin number 22. It is a very simple connection. I don't have to draw it since I can tell it very easily. Right. Class, then security system. This is, please remember, this is Thorny ID, and we are discussing the code in MicroPython. Thorny ID, MicroPython. Okay. So these are the different type of codes, and alarm, trigger time, and everything will be given. About the JSON library, default setup hardware, you have to give it pin number, what is up and down. That is up is 1 and down is 0. That is pull up and pull down, you can say. And timing and everything will be given. From here, triggered, if it is triggered, that here from here I will make an HTML page. These are all HTML page. And finally, HTML documents, what will be coming, because I will be showing it to you. And this thing, how it will be looking like you can do change the HTML like looks and all, and you can decide what type of look you want. So this is all about the this thing only. So what I will do is I will just go for it. That is since everything is the port and board is selected, so I will say run. Okay, but before that you have to remember, you have to say save file, save as you can do, and it will tell you where to save the file, the computer or the Raspberry Pi Pico. Saved in Raspberry Pi Pico board. That is, if you select this, is asking what is the name of the file. Since we have to give an external power supply, so please remember main.py we have to select. So main.py and then say OK. Yes, overwrite OK. So that has been saved. As soon as you save that, you can directly go to run script and you can just run the script. So here you will find, you can see on the bottom side shell, you have got the IP address, and it is telling it is armed. I will just show you how this switch, this switch, because I didn't tell you. So how it will disarm. Okay, now you can see alarm silence, system disarmed. Again, I'm just pressing it, system armed. So this is the switch. You have to understand for what purpose it has been given. We told you it is coming locked. So you can unlock it, or you can just toggle it according to your requirement. So yeah, I'm pressing it. You can see I have pressed it. I have pressed this also, and I have pressed this also. Or I can rather I can unlock also. Please remember that. So I'm just unlocking. Just see this how it is getting unlocked, right? And all the status will be there on the top. Okay? So all the status and all you can change it according to your requirement. You can see the name of the project is Smart Home Security System. Smart Home Security System. Status armed or disarmed according to the pressing of the switch. Then system, arm system or disarm. From here also you can do it. There also this with that switch also you can do it, and you can check it out. Okay, please see this. So very simple project, but very useful. We can implement with the more of the things. My idea is to give you ideas, right? My actual this thing is to make you learn so that you do some hands-on practice. That is my aim. All right. Okay. So I've shown you this. So please like and subscribe, and give comments to me so that what type of projects you want, or what is your idea, what sort of help you want. I'm there to help you. Thank you for watching. See you again.